All right, let's take a look at this one. How often does lightning strike the earth? Well, what is our keyword? What is our noun? Yeah, it's lightning, because the question is specifically asking about lightning. But what is it asking about lightning? Well, it's asking how often does it strike the earth? So the form of our answer would probably be a number of times, a number, since this, how often, is our marker of what the answer should look like. So let's see. Type lightning into our search bar. And here we are, lightning. Now, if we scan, we're looking for a number. And here we go. On Earth, lightning occurs about 100 times per second. So the answer to our question is 100 times per second. That's a lot.